Warning. I'm neither financial advisor nor trained financial expert capable of providing advice of any sorts. The content on this YouTube videos is for educational purposes only and merely list of model prediction and related search results. To make the best financial decision that suits your needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. All investments involve some risk and there is no guarantee that you will be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. Hi. I'm just like you, not professionally trained for stock trading but use what I do for a living for the investment. I just believe my model more than my biased opinion from my untrained eyes. I'm strong believer of George Box's saying, all models are wrong but some are useful. So I trained my model and shared my prediction results from this video. I'll share the actual architecture of the present model once I release the next version. I only use S&P 500 stocks for my analysis and try to predict whether the stock will show more than 50% profit from year 1 to year 2. I don't want to take this profit as short-term gain because I'm close to my next federal tax bracket. Also, I have my day job so I just want to put a limit order once 1 year mark is passed. I'll first present the likelihood of this ticker showing more than 50% of profit between year 1 and year 2, and provide the list of past tickers and buying timing with news headlines of the day. Again, I also don't believe these are 100% accurate, so just treat this as a list of stocks to study for the week. Let's begin. According to the model, the probability of ETSI show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.82%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker redate from May 13, 2020 to May 14, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 10 stocks to pick up if we're heading for another great recession. Ticker date from June 2, 2020 to June 2, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. A quick look at the chart should make you optimistic on GE stock. Second article. General Electric stock, what investors need to know now. Third article. GE Appliances deploys autonomous mobile robots. Fourth article. General Electric is poised to surge by the end of 2020. Fifth article. What comes after the 40% surge? Sixth article. GE sells yet another division. Ticker DD date from April 8, 2020 to April 8, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. DuPont, FedEx to expedite personal protective equipment shipments to U.S. Second article. Is DuPont stock a buy? According to the model, the probability of PYPL will show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 67.63%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of TER show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 66.06%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker PBH date from July 31, 2019 to August 1, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. PBH versus Skill, which stock is the better value option? Ticker BIIB date from May 28, 2019 to May 28, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Rentagene with Biogen Spinraza, or Biogen with Novartis Zolgensma. Ticker TWTR date from December 27, 2019 to December 31, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Twitter's big bet on topics and lists is just getting started. Second article. Longtime Twitter bull Josh Brown exits stock. Third article. Twitter, TWTR, stock moves minus 0.25%, what you should know. Fourth article. Josh Brown sells Twitter and blasts half CEO Jack Dorsey in political ad ban. Fifth article. Will revenue growth from the international segment drive Twitter's top line? According to the model, the probability of BIIB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 65.08%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker CTXS date from October 18, 2019 to October 21, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Citrix, CTXS, to report Q3 earnings, what's in the cards? According to the model, the probability of MRNA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 63.86%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of GPN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 62.30%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker mode date from January 23, 2020 to January 27, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Vape sales fall 26% in 2 months, why things could get even worse. Second article. Here's what you should note ahead of Altria, Mo, Q4 earnings. Third article. An Altria-Philip Morris merger is still a possibility. Fourth article. 5 top income stocks that could soar in 2020 as interest rates plunge. Fifth article. Altria, Mo, stock moves minus 0.57%, what you should know. Ticker CVS date from July 27, 2020 to July 27, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. The CVS Aetna acquisition is showing results. Ticker TPR date from January 14, 2020 to January 16, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Is Tapestry, TPR, a suitable stock for value investors? Ticker TSLA date from September 25, 2019 to September 25, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Tesla's Model 3 takes the European EV market by storm. Second article. 2 signs the Tesla killer theory may already be dead. Third article. Tesla's TSLA Model 3 takes European EV market by storm. Fourth article. Wednesday's vital data, Nike, Snap, and Tesla. According to the model, the probability of IPGP show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 60.79%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker DIS date from April 15, 2020 to April 15, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. How ads are hurting in lockdown. Second article. Walt Disney CEO Bob Chapek takes a seat on the company's board. Third article. Disney valuation, Part 2, Intro to Media and DTC. Fourth article. Why streaming stocks could be the big winners in the bear market. Fifth article. 3 reasons to play the contrarian on Disney. Sixth article. A 1966 Buffett deja vu, you pay for Disney Plus, the rest is free. Seventh article. The state of the streaming market in Europe. According to the model, the probability of GNRC show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 60.56%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of PENN show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 59.87%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of EPAM show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 59.27%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker SLB date from April 16, 2020 to April 16, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. A pre-earnings analysis of the oilfield services sector. Second article. Writing covered calls to capture volatility enhanced premiums. Ticker FANG date from April 20, 2020 to April 21, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 7 oil stocks that are hedged at much higher oil prices. Ticker VIAC date from April 2, 2020 to April 7, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. NBC, ABC and CBS team up for coronavirus relief TV special. Second article. Viacom CBS, VIAC, Acquires 49% Miramax stake in $375 million deal. Third article. Viacom CBS closes purchase of stake in Miramax, with distribution and first look deal. Fourth article. Viacom CBS adds to media portfolio, taking 49% stake in Miramax. Ticker ALC date from April 14, 2020 to April 16, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Will the U.S. airline bailout work? Second article. Treasury, airlines reach agreement in principle on aid. Third article. U.S. Airlines, Treasury Department reach agreement in principle on aid. Fourth article. U.S. Treasury, airlines reach agreement in principle on payroll aid sources. Fifth article. Treasury and airlines agree on terms of industry bailout. According to the model, the probability of sales show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 59.17%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker GPC date from May 4, 2020 to May 4, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Genuine Parts, GPC, to post Q1 earnings, what's in store? According to the model, the probability of ADSK show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 58.80%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker RL date from September 18, 2019 to September 20, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Ralph Lauren launches Rachel Green Friends collection.